begin.
So here we can vary the frequency, and this frequency counter will count the frequency and will show it here. Okay, so component we are using here are battery, 9-volt battery, and this one is our 7805, which will provide 5 volt, and 5 volt is for this circuit, which is generator circuit, and this one is our counter circuit. So this one is the battery. 2 battery we are using here, 8 volt, then 5 volt here, then 5 volt is for microcontroller and for LCD. And once we generate here, we can read value here. Ground we have to do common. So here we are cross-checking it by our digital meter. So this meter has one option for the reading of frequency. Okay, so now it is showing the same frequency as our device. Okay, if I increase this point, okay, friends, you can search Direct Technologies on Google. You will find our website, and on website you will find so many things about engineering projects like PPT, project reports, documents, codes, tutorials, etc. You can also come here for MTech project, BTech project, PhD project, and you can submit your requirement here to make the project custom projects. And in lab also you can come, and in lab you can make project by your own in our guidance in one-day workshop. You can buy project component, etc. from online or offline. Both options are available. If you want to make something unique, new, creative, just WhatsApp us on the number given in the description box. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video. You can subscribe to this channel for more project ideas, tutorial videos, DIY videos, etc. Thank you so much.